Hello friends, welcome to InfinKey Infopedia with another exciting news for the music lovers. Have you ever been scrolling through your Spotify playlist trying to find the perfect song to match your mood or occasion, only to be left feeling overwhelmed and frustrated? Well, what if I told you that there is a solution to your music selection woes? It's called Spotify AI DJ, and in this video, we are going to explore what it is and how it works. Spotify AI DJ is a revolutionary new technology that has taken the music streaming world by storm. It is an artificial intelligence-based music curation system that is designed to create personalized playlists based on user listening history and preferences. Spotify AI DJ has been developed to make the music listening experience even more enjoyable and personalized for users. The algorithm analyzes your listening history and creates a unique understanding of your music taste, which it then uses to generate personalized playlists for you. You can access these playlists through the Made For You section on your Spotify homepage. But that's not all. Spotify AI DJ also has a feature called Party Mode, which is perfect for when you are hosting a gathering or just want to switch up your music selection. It generates a playlist of songs that match the tempo and mood of the first song you select. Now, you may be wondering, how does Spotify AI DJ know which songs match the tempo and mood of my selected song? Well, the algorithm analyzes the audio features of each song, including tempo, key, and danceability, to determine which songs complement each other. But what about new music? How does Spotify AI DJ introduce you to songs you have never heard before? That's where the Discover Weekly playlist comes in. Every Monday, Spotify AI DJ generates a new playlist of songs it thinks you will love based on your listening history and behavior on the platform. An amazing benefit of Spotify AI DJ is the sheer number of songs it can draw from. Spotify has one of the largest music libraries in the world, with over 70 million songs available to users. The AI DJ system can analyze this vast library of music to create playlists that are both diverse and personalized. This means that users can discover new artists and songs that they may not have otherwise found, and can enjoy a listening experience that is truly unique to them. So, as you can see, Spotify AI DJ is not just a random algorithm generating playlist. It's a personalized music creator that's always at your service, ready to provide you with the perfect playlist for any occasion. So next time you are feeling overwhelmed with your music selection, give Spotify AI DJ a try. Who knows, it might just introduce you to your new favorite artist. I'm sure you are going to love this feature. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel InfinKey Infopedia for more exciting videos like this one. Thank you for watching.